The 2018 Dodge Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort while towing your camper or boat. It offers more interior room and towing capability than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, power liftgate, remote engine start, power passenger seat, stability control, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, dual airbags, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, aluminum wheels. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.